Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can find serial number on TOZO T20. So the only way that I managed to find some sort of serial number is by using the TOZO app and connecting the TOZO earbuds on my example smartphone. I couldn't find any information on the box nor on the Bluetooth settings or anywhere else. So once you connect the TOZO T20 earbuds through Bluetooth to your smartphone, then you might need to open the Play Store in order to download the TOZO app. And once you open the TOZO app, register your account and then add the earbuds to the app. Then over here you can go to the settings of the earbuds, so tap on this gear over here. And then if you go to OTA update, over here you will find ID number, and this is the only thing that reminds me of serial number. I couldn't find anything else, and probably this is the serial number that we are looking for. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.